Previously on Lost.
Are you ready, Ducfan? Well, that was a fun little side detour. It'd be a great party spot, actually. There he is. There's the Ducfan. Oh man, I was hoping you'd eat shit for me. It would have been a funnier video. But turning around up here will be sketchy.
And now, the conclusion.
But turning around up here will be sketchy. Oh. Yeah, that was weird. That was close. I almost let it go. I don't have to. I don't have to let it go. Just can't get my feet down. I'm gonna go right, a little more level right here. Let's see. Now I'm uphill. Do I look majestic in my road gear? Yeah, that's probably the comments we'll get. You dumbasses. Right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, get the douche pose in. There you go. Fuck, I'm tired. I'm catching my bike. Yeah, you just did a 250-pound deadlift with one hand. Are you coasting? Stealth mode. That's funny, I could hear. It sounded like you were riding, but I couldn't hear anything else. I was hearing like legendary Honda quietness. Anyway. Oh, this shit is going to be steep as hell. How the fuck do you stay off the brake or off the bars when you're going down a steep-ass hill like this? I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to use my core, but... Well, guys, stand up, I guess. Stand up and lean back. If your weight on your feet. Yeah, fucking steep. I would not want to stop on this shit. Whoa, keep both hands on the bars, you moron. Trying to open my helmet vents. Hitting ruts at the same time is not a good productive use of your time. I'm sure this whole video is just my breathing. I don't hear it much, but the GoPro camera is a little... Or, you don't hear it through your GoPro camera, do you? It's all through the Senna? Yeah, it's the Senna. So what you hear is what it hears. This is that road we did. Do you want to do it again? I don't know. We could. Ow. There's a leaf right in the eyeball. Cut like a leaf. Careful. Can you hear that? Yeah. I tried to duck it. It didn't work. The Ducfan. Get some mud in. Mud, motherfucker. Wow, that is way less impressive than I thought it would be. It's just basically driving on the fucking ground. It doesn't, like, the tires don't even sink in. I'm probably going to goose it a little. Try not to get me too muddy. There you go. That was good. Whoa. I got into the middle. My boot is definitely muddy. I need to trust the bike a little more. I'll stick my foot out as quick. Trust the throttle to right me. Yep. That's not an instinct that I have yet. That's a little rough. All right, man. I go first. Having fun in the dust back there? Well, there's actually sort of a crossbreeze, so it's blowing it off to the side. Oh, that's nice. Get far enough back, it's not too bad. Well, it is getting me the eye now. Spoke too soon. Definitely gonna have to clean, lube the chain, do all that shit today. Yeah. After this ride, I should say. Wonder if I should invest in something slightly different than what I used. I've been using that waxy stuff on my Ducati. It's supposed to attract the dirt pretty badly, isn't it? I know we're not doing any like big hills or anything, but I'm trying to figure out why somebody would need a significantly more powerful bike than this. Telling you, it's just highway. That's the only time. And to carry more gear, I guess? Maybe. I mean, yeah, it's like people do have 600 dirt bikes, and that's just for more power up hills, more acceleration, probably. Yeah, cool looking little road right here, isn't there? Oh, we should check that out. Oh, there's a lot of nasty rocks right here. Oh, fuck. That's some sharp. Oh, no, this doesn't go anywhere. Oh. Don't bother. You totally threw a stick up in the air. We've only gone 17 miles. Yeah. At least according to Mike. But we've been at it for what? An hour and a half? Yeah, I like gravel better than dirt. Or backlit. Oh, there's people up here shooting too. Keep going. Stop. Turn around. Don't care. No, let's turn around. I don't want to be coming back down while they're shooting. I wish I knew what their conversation was right now. Why are those assholes wearing street gear in the woods? Probably. I don't think anybody up here knows the difference. Probably more like, why are those pussies wearing helmets? Yeah. Not even a flannel shirt. Oh, there's a lake. Yeah, that's a good shot up here. Dusty as shit all of a sudden. That's Green Peter. There's a lake. Oh, there's a dam. It's a great shot. Great shot. Too bad they dig those trenches like that, because there was totally a dirt road right there. Yeah, and we could get over a dirt pile. The problem is the hole on the other side. Right. Ah, fuck. That's smarter than us. I'm just trying to not turn around in front of you. Yeah, that would be it's all soft dirt. It's basically like a trap. Oh, that's bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay on the bike. I would advise staying out of the middle back there. Alright. Nope. And that's exactly what I did. God damn, it's just gorgeous up here. And you get used to it, you know? I know. Just thinking, like, if there wasn't this massive cliff on the side, I would probably go a little faster, but what the hell are you guys doing? Dumping a body or something? A weird place for a minivan. Yeah. Oh, fucking look at this shit. Oh, damn. It's going to be picture time, I think. There's a place to pull off. Oh, there is right there. Oh, no, I'm going to lose the view. Damn it. Yep, that is less good as a, yeah, this stuff. Well, fuck it then. I don't want to get off. Clearly I suck at that anyway. There's another fun dirt road that I think is... See, this is one I used to go up... I used to come up here on my lunch sometimes at work because I was fucking hated my job. So I would come up here, and then up at that junction up there, you take that left road, and there's one that comes off, and it comes down through this, and then goes that, and that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first dual sporting adventure of Ducfan and I. Don't worry, there are many, many more to come, and I imagine we'll get into a little bit more technical stuff, but I had a good time. How about you, Ducfan? Yeah, it was fun. It was a good warm-up for sure. For sure. So, if you want to see more dual sporting adventures or watch us riding around on our street bikes or see other ridiculous crap like videos with guys with lawnmowers pretending to motovlog, you may want to hit that button down in the bottom right-hand corner that says subscribe. Hit it up, and we'll see you in the future. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!
Well, my ass isn't sore. Riding my other bike this long, it would have been.